Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a common concern for Apple TV users, that mysterious flashing light. You know the one. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore the reasons behind the blinking light on your Apple TV and provide some troubleshooting tips to help you resolve the issue. Segment 1. Understanding the light patterns. The first step in solving the mystery is understanding the light patterns on your Apple TV. The LED light on the front of your device can blink in different ways, each indicating a specific issue. Whether it's a slow blink, a rapid flash, or a combination of both, it all means something. Let's break down some common scenarios. Segment 2. Possible causes. Now that we've identified the patterns, let's explore the potential causes behind the flashing light. It could be anything from a simple remote issue to a more complex hardware problem. Here are some common culprits. 1. Remote connection. Check if there's any interference with your Apple TV remote. 2. Software updates. Ensure your Apple TV is running the latest software. 3. Power supply. Verify that your Apple TV is properly connected to power. 4. HDMI connection. Ensure your HDMI cable is securely plugged into both the Apple TV and your TV. Segment 3. Troubleshooting steps. Now, let's move on to troubleshooting steps to fix the flashing light issue. We'll go step by step to cover the basics. 1. Restart your Apple TV. Sometimes, a simple restart can do wonders. 2. Check remote batteries. Make sure your remote has fresh batteries. 3. Update software. Ensure your Apple TV is running the latest TVOs. 4. Inspect HDMI connection. Reconnect the HDMI cable to rule out any connection issues. Segment 4. Advanced troubleshooting. If the basic steps didn't solve the problem, it might be time for some advanced troubleshooting. This could involve a factory reset or contacting Apple support for further assistance. Conclusion. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on why your Apple TV light might be flashing and how to fix it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with fellow Apple TV users. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy streaming.